Welcome to the Random Trader Video Series 2022 and beyond, episode number 16. Let's see what happened with the last random trade and what trade we're going to take today. And real quick, before we get started, the why of the Random Trader Series. There's two reasons that I created the Random Trader Video Series, and it was designed, number one, to prove that you can enter a trade at any time, any direction, with no stop loss and win, debunking the need for complex trade entry strategies. And number two, to emphasize that trade management is the key to Forex profits. Now let's get on with today's episode. Looks like our last trade, NZD-JPY sell, is still open. Now I have said in the past that I will go into recovery when it goes 100 pips or $100 against me. It is currently hovering around $90. I'm going to let this trade ride, and we'll take a new random trade today. However, let's do some quick analysis and take a look at this pair. I'm looking at the 15-minute chart here. Let's go up to 4 hours, and I believe what's really happening is if we scale the chart up a little bit here and zoom in, we're really kind of in a range. And you can see where, I'll zoom in here, where we did the sell, and it just has not moved away from that. It moved exactly the opposite direction. However, we do have a moving average cross here on the 4 hours, so I'm assuming it's going to get to that $100, but I'm not going to recover until we get there. It may come back down. So again, we'll let that set. Let's go pick and choose our next random Forex currency trade. Here we are, 28 different pairs plus US 30. I have a buy and a sell attached to each. We're going to put it in the random list organizer on random.org. And let's hit randomize. The next trade is going to be NZD CAD buy. NZD CAD buy. Let's go do that now. Let's pull up NZD CAD. The random trade today is going to be buy. I'm at 0.1 lot size. Buy is clicked, and we are in an NZD CAD buy trade. Again, I'm going to let the NZD JPY sell trade continue to go, and if it goes beyond $100 drawdown, it's at about $88 now. If it goes beyond $100 drawdown, we'll go into recovery and recover that trade back at the break-even point or at profit, and I'll show you how that's done. So again, real quick, back on the chart history, every trade so far has been a winner. I've been trading a 0.1 or a dollar lot size with this $10,000 account, and we've made $497.56 profit so far, 0 losses. So that's it. Tune in for the next episode, and we'll see how these two trades are playing out on random trading. I'll see you there. Whether you're brand new to Forex or you're still struggling with which trading strategy actually works, the good news is you never have to manually trade Forex ever again. No, this is not the latest and greatest robot or expert advisor. This service sends you profitable trades daily, and you have full control of how many trades you receive and how much you bid. The take profit and drawdown recovery are all built in. For the ultimate in Forex trading automation, visit forexbits.com today.
If you found this video of value, please by all means click the like icon and subscribe to be notified of future videos designed to help you get profitable in the Forex market. If you would like to never manually trade ever again, I highly recommend you get access to all of my profitable trades that can be sent directly to your MT4 account daily. Simply visit forexbits.com and learn all about this new and unique service. That's all for this episode. I'll see you in the next video. Ta-ta for now.